Good morning and welcome to the kingdom. This is the place where I teach people of faith how to become financially free, and you are about to break this curse of poverty over your life. I'm looking at the Dow Jones. We invest in stocks and we invest in a business. So I want to see what the market is going to do this morning. We're going to try to make $200 today because that's all you really need. That's $1,000 a week, and you don't have to go work 8 hours a day for it. You can do this all in 15 minutes, hour max. NASDAQ looks good. This 5-minute candle. Let's go to the 1-minute candle. This is the Dow. Let's see what opportunities come to us today. What we do here is we scalp. We just look for 30, 40, $50 scalps. Sometimes you're going to make 100, 200, maybe even 1,000, 1,500. But we want to get in and get out. The market should be opening any second now, and there we go. Let's wait another minute or two, let it settle in. There we go. We are pushing down. Let's see what the Dow is doing. The Dow is pushing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Dow trade. I'm going to take it to the, oh, I missed it. I literally missed the move. I'll get back in it. There we go, we're in this trade. We only did two contracts this time. Let's see if we can get $100 and play it all over again. Rinse and repeat. And there is our 200. I'm taking, that was 210. I'm taking that all in 1 minute. I love it. Let's see if we can get another trade. That was our $200 in 1 minute. That easy, people. That easy. This is the kingdom, and I show you how to do this work every morning. So what I can do is I can actually get back in this. If it jumps back up to here, I'm back in again. Let's see what this market wants to do. We'll go to a 5-minute. Wow, look at the NASDAQ drop. Look at that drop. Nice drop there. I would even be willing to get back in this again. Oh, that's a heavy push up. We'll go back in with 2 contracts. Let's see what we got. Let's go in with 2 contracts to the downside. There's another 130 right off the bat. Let's take our 200. That was 180. We took another 180 off of that. So far we got 180 and a 210. Let's go back to this NAS. Look at this NAS drop. Let's see if we can get this in the 40s, in the 30s. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy that. But right now, If we get another push up, we probably should have just held that last move. Yeah, this wants to come up. Look at that move up. Nice. Oh my God, beautiful push. Look at that. All right, we're going to get back in here. Looks like we're just going to play with the Dow all day. Look at it, look, taking off. Wow. Nice. Another 80, another 90. Let's see what we got. We should let this fall a little bit. Okay, people, there we go. There we go. Let's see if we can get this down to 85. Now, let's see if we can go down to 75. There you go. We're up another 200. There we go. I don't know if I should. Maybe I should just take it. Yeah, I should have just took that. Oh my God. I'm just gonna play around today. We're up $400 on the day, so I'm gonna play around. Let's see if we can get this down. Back. We're up 190. Well, okay, there's our 200. Another 200. I should just take it. See if we can get back over 200. There we go. For some reason, I want to hold on. This market could take off and leave me behind. I actually got a good entry there. See, I missed it. There's the 1 minute. $15-minute. I don't know why my indicator came off this. I want the NASDAQ to drop a little further. But I might just take the 100. Stop playing around. I really wanted to come down to the 80s, but I'm just going to take the 220. took another 220 out of the market. We're doing all this in 10 minutes. We're up $600 on the day. Well, we made $600 in 10 minutes, so okay, there's the fall. I wanted to get into the 70s. I told you that. Just hit the 70s. So I might just call it a morning, 10 minutes into the morning. Now I can go and do some real work. Remember, God said, seek first the kingdom, and everything will be added unto you. This is kingdom business. And if you're trying to break the cycle of poverty that's over your life, then this is where you're supposed to be. So I need you to start thinking about how to create a kingdom business. That is your job today. That is your goal today. What can I do for the kingdom? What has God called me to do? I should have stayed in this trade down to this line here, and we would have been up $1,000 on the day. This is how we do it in the kingdom. And I need you to create a kingdom business.